Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are presenting some ideas on wooden wall decorations. Wooden wall decorations are timeless adornments that infuse warmth, character, and organic charm into any living space. From rustic cottages to modern apartments, these decorations serve as versatile accents that effortlessly blend with various interior styles. Crafted from a diverse range of wood such as oak, pine, maple, or reclaimed timber, wooden wall decorations exhibit an artisanal touch. Carved into intricate patterns, shapes, or designs, they add depth and texture to bare walls, transforming them into focal points within a room. One of the most popular types of wooden wall decorations is carved wall art. Skilled artisans meticulously carve wooden panels, creating stunning reliefs depicting nature scenes, abstract patterns, or cultural motifs. These pieces, with their intricate details and depth, evoke a sense of craftsmanship and artistry, making them captivating additions to any interior. Wooden wall hangings come in various forms, including sculptural pieces, geometric shapes, and even functional items like shelves or racks. These multidimensional creations not only decorate walls but also serve practical purposes, offering storage or display areas for plants, books, or other decor elements. The natural grain pattern and texture of wood contribute to the unique appeal of these decorations. Each piece showcases the inherent beauty of wood, whether it's the rich, deep tones of mahogany or the lighter hues of birch. The grain patterns, knots, and imperfections in the wood add character, ensuring that every decoration is one of a kind. Wooden decorations provide an opportunity for personalization and customization. They can be stained, painted, or left in their natural state, allowing homeowners to match them with the existing decor or create a focal point that stands out. DIY enthusiasts often take pleasure in painting or distressing wooden decorations, adding their own artistic flair to the pieces. Beyond their aesthetic value, wooden wall decorations also contribute to a sense of eco-friendliness and sustainability. Many artisans use reclaimed or repurposed wood, giving new life to materials that might otherwise be discarded. This eco-conscious approach resonates with individuals seeking environmentally friendly decor options for their homes. The versatility of wooden wall decorations enables them to complement various interior design styles. Whether it's a bohemian-inspired room adorned with macrame and plants, a Scandinavian space characterized by simplicity and minimalism, or a farmhouse-style interior exuding rustic charm, wooden decorations seamlessly integrate with diverse design aesthetics. Wooden wall decorations serve as much more than mere adornments. They are artistic expressions that enhance the ambience of a room. With their craftsmanship, natural allure, versatility, and sustainability, these decorations continue to be sought after, bringing a touch of nature's elegance and artistic beauty into the homes worldwide. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas earlier. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when you upload a new video to the channel.